Hey guys, Shaman and Yolanda. Sorry, I cut you off.
That's fine.
From Harper Therapy.
Yeah.
And we've been talking about our relational life boot camps and essential skills workshops.
Yeah.
Big thing that we're offering here.
It is. It is. It's the first of its kind in our area.
Right.
So we're really excited because this is a game changer. It's a game changer for your romantic relationship.
Right.
It's a game changer for other relationships. I know that sounds, I don't know, maybe dramatic,
grandiose or dramatic, but it's not, right?
It's been
Right.
our experience. It's feedback that we hear from clients. It's feedback that I hear from my colleagues who
Right.
do this work. So yeah, we're excited about it.
So today we're talking about who is this workshop for?
Mm-hmm.
Like, who's a good fit for this workshop, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. So let's start with the typical couple who's like, we want to improve our communication.
right,
Yeah.
right.
We hear that quite a bit. So if you and your partner want to improve your communication skills, be able to work through misunderstandings, find a different way to work through disagreements,
right.
Find a more fair way to argue, this is the place to come.
Right. And then the next one, I can introduce that one.
Yeah.
For couples that are feeling disconnected.
Yeah.
You know, life kind of beats you down. And it gets messy, and you look up and you're like, who's this person I'm with, right? And this is a really good time and a really good place to kind of come and start to reconnect and build some skills to do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The next demographic that this workshop is for is couples in transition. So if you are newly coupled, if you are newlywed or newly into a more significantly committed relationship,
Right.
if you are navigating through the birth of a first child,
Absolutely.
navigating through parenthood,
Navigating through that time when that child takes over your agenda.
your whole life. Empty nesting. Empty
Yeah.
nesting is another time that people, like couples, look at each other and say,
Who is this person?
Who are you?
Right.
We've
And how are we going to get together?
Yeah. How are we going to, like, what's the next part of our lives going to look like?
Absolutely.
It's also for individuals who are looking to deepen their own individual skills.
Right.
It's for individuals, couples across the board, in any marital status, in any sexual orientation.
Yeah,
all
absolutely.
are welcome.
This is relational stuff.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter the relationship.
Yeah.
Could be professional, could be family.
Sure. Yeah.
The next one is couples dealing with specific issues. And we're kind of talking here about maybe like couples that are handling conflict a lot, right? That kind of long-standing issues that need to be addressed. This is going to teach us like some of those essential skills to kind of recognize that,
Yeah.
to kind of put send things into place. So that's a good fit.
And if you are the proactive couple,
Absolutely.
who you listen to the podcast and read the books and are always looking for ways to deepen your own self-work and deepen your relationship, or simply coming individually to deepen your own self-work, this is definitely a place for you. So regardless of where you are on that continuum, you are welcome to join us.
Right.
We would like for you to check out the details of our upcoming boot camp by clicking on the link.
Absolutely.
Know that spaces are limited, so do not wait.
Yeah, sign up.
And we will look forward to seeing you there.
All right. Bye, guys.